Hi guys, we're back to making another lei. We're using this color, and as usual, we are using the satin type of material, and this is a 3/8. So we're using the white and the color is this? I guess turquoise. Yeah, sorry. So we're using white and turquoise on this one. Okay, so there's gonna be a different way of making this lei because I want the shiny part to be facing where I'm doing it. Okay, I want the shiny part to be in the front of the actual lei. So what we're gonna be doing is when we try to start this lei, we will make it fold this way. See the non-shiny part is how we're gonna be working it. Okay, the non-shiny part. So I'm gonna start my first set of the double braided lace. So this is the beginning part. So this should be on the outside, and this should be on the front of you. Okay, so let's get started. So this way, put that in. Next one, loop it through. Okay, and then we'll put another one in. Another one. So now we have this white sticking out. Okay, so we're gonna hold that, put that on the side for now. Let's use our scissor to hold it. Then we're gonna work on the other one. Like I said, I want the shiny part to be in front of the lace, so we're gonna be doing exactly the same thing, but this time my white is going to be on the opposite side. Okay, I want this color on this side, so we'll go ahead and do this like how I normally start the braiding. Okay, okay, so now with that we are done on the second set. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys how to begin again the double braided lei. Okay, let me turn the camera around. Okay guys, let's get started and putting this double braided lei together. Okay, so we got this two separate ones, and now we're gonna put them together. So we're gonna overlap it this way. Okay, so we have our two strands over here and the other two strands right here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put them together. So we'll get this white and put it on the teal color. Okay, and then we'll grab this color, put it on the white. It will look funky on the beginning part, but after a while it's gonna come into a nice pattern. So what's next is the white one. It goes on the opposite color. Okay, and then the teal color goes on the white. Okay, again white on teal, teal on white. He's got it. So white on teal, teal on white. So it's the same pattern, guys. White on the opposite color. Okay, this goes on inside the white. And don't make it too tight, guys. Yeah, as when we started this video, I wanted to let me go back and fix that, to work on the non-shiny part. I will show it to you guys after putting this for a little while. There's a lot of difference why I'm doing that. Okay, so just keep on working on it until you get to the desired length. I'm going to be making a manili for a intermediate student. This order is actually going to the mainland. This is like I guess mainland's graduation is like later than Hawaii, so okay, you guys are getting it. Really easy. White on teal, teal on white, white on teal, teal on white. Okay, so now I'll show you why I did that. Okay, I'm gonna make it close. See this part right here? That's the shiny part of the material. So if you guys want the shiny part to show on your lei, is you have to work on the opposite color, the opposite side of the material. So you're working on the rough part of the material, but once you're folding it in, when you're doing it this way, the actual shiny part will show. You guys got it? See how the shiny part is showing, and the non-shiny one is right here. I'll show you the back part. See, the non-shiny one is on the back, and the shiny part is in the front. So we're gonna keep on working on this, guys. I'm gonna do a fast forward. Okay, guys, so I'm done with the double braided lei, and I'm already satisfied with the length because we're doing the money lei. So this is how it looks like. So now we're gonna work on I pre-made my bow. All I have to do is open them, and then after I open them, this color will be attached to the butterfly. So I will do a fast forward undoing them in front of you guys. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, time to finish the product. So I got all my money money origami pre-made in here and put together with me with my bows. So let's go ahead and finish up this money lei. So this right here goes on the bottom. We just tie it down like so. While we're doing this, our hot glue gun is getting warmed up in there, waiting for it to get hot. Just tie that twice. Okay, and then we grab the other one. Tie it twice. Okay, this one's twice. Okay, and then that's all nice and ready. And I'm gonna go ahead and trim the bottom part, and I'll show you guys the trim part later on. Let me just do a quick trimming here because it's quite long. Gotta make sure they're nicely balanced. Okay, let's see if our hot glue gun is nice and ready. Yeah, it's ready. So we'll work with our butterfly first. Okay, we have to make sure this is nicely balanced. Okay, so we come here, hot glue gun, the butterfly, and then we got the bow here, and we stick it right there. No, it's kind of hot, so I always want to use my scissor to hold it. Okay, and then next one is the next butterfly. So we're going to be putting 5 butterflies on each side, okay? I gotta hold this more better. Okay. I'm going to do a fast forward for you guys so it won't be that long for you. But you guys know the technique already, so just have to hot glue gun on each side is 5, which is this way. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish up by doing a fast forward. Okay? Okay, there you have it, guys. This is our finished product. So this is how it looks like. Okay, and this is a $20 in here. Okay, so that's the bottom part. Let me just fix the bottom part right here. Okay. There we go. So yeah, sorry guys. So this is the bottom part. This is the middle. Right here. It goes up here. So we gotta make sure now, guys, when you guys are making the lei, we have to make a space for the neck. Okay? We don't want the child or the graduate to be not having enough space for the neck in here. Okay, so there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. And aloha for watching, and thank you for your support. Salamat po. Again, aloha. Bye-bye.